This is a review of the BLAVOR Portable Charger that is 20 watts and 10,000 milliamps that I would highly recommend. The first thing I want to start off by talking about the BLAVOR Portable Charger is that the quality is really amazing. I love how it is a small compact size. I love how the quality is really super amazing as well too. It's super lightweight. It does have a lot of weight on it. And the gloss finish is also a huge plus. I love how the finish is very shining and it looks very nice. The exterior of the look of it. And another thing I want to talk about is that the cool thing about it is that the lanyard, you can see you could have it and hold it on like this, and you can move it around like that so it doesn't fall down. I love how it comes with that lanyard right there. And you can see here that it has a power C adapter, so pretty much you could charge multiple devices at one time. I do want to mention that the battery life of this is very pretty much, it takes about 2 hours to charge, but to charge your phone up, it takes about 30 minutes to charge your phone up, and that's really amazing because you can charge multiple devices in within 30 minutes, which is super amazing. I love how they designed this, and this portable battery charger is something I would definitely highly recommend. You can see here that we have on the bottom of here, we have a power C lightning adapter that charges up. So if you have a iPhone 16, 15, 14, then you can use that to charge it up right there. And then right over here, you have your other adapter as well too. And then this adapter is right here that's on the bottom of here. You can use that to charge multiple devices at one time. Like I mentioned, I normally use 2 devices charge it at once, which I'm going to demonstrate and show you guys about the 2 products that I'm going to be charging. So you can see right here, I have 2 devices charged at one time. One is my iPhone 15 Pro Max. The other one on the right side is my iPhone X. And both of them are charged. And you can see that 74% right here. And right here is 30%. And they charge, like I mentioned. And one of the cool things, like I mentioned, about the fact that it takes about 30 minutes to charge both of these things up. And pretty much 2 hours to charge it up, which it comes with a USB charger right over here. I would definitely recommend the BLAVOR Portable traveling charger. If you are wanting something that charges multiple devices at one time, then this portable charger is probably one of the best products out there, and I would definitely recommend it.